Happy Monday, friends. I hope you all are doing great and had a wonderful weekend. And we are back at Minimal Mondays. This is a weekly video that I do every Monday where I share 3 things. I share with you a quick home tip, along with I answer a viewer friend's question, and I also do a giveaway. So let's get started. Okay, friends, today's home tip is one that I think is awesome if you are getting your first apartment or you have a small space living and you just don't have a lot of space for things. You know, we all have files and things that we have to keep to maintain our home files. And so many of us have file cabinets, or we have desks that have file drawers that we can store these things in. But if you live in a small space, that's just not reality. And you can also get different bins and things like that. But even so, some people live in spaces. I myself have lived in very small spaces where even that is not really doable. So what you can do is use your decorative pillow. You know, a lot of times on our bed, we have a decorative pillow. And because the pillows have inserts, a lot of them have inserts, use this as your file cabinet. So basically what you would do is you would just stick all of your home files in the back of the pillow, and that way they're secure. No one knows they're there, so it brings that level of security. They're easy to get to, and it really saves space. And the great thing about it is usually when you're starting out, you don't have a lot of files. You basically just need to keep one for your general bills and your general information like your birth certificate and kind of things like that. Although I do encourage fire safe boxes for those kinds of things. The reality is for a lot of people that when they're starting out, they'll do good to have the file system in place. But this is a great and fun way to be able to do this. Okay, friends, so the question that I got, not a good bit, but a couple people asked in my video where I shared with you my spiritual handbag, the handbag that I carry to church, wanted to know what is a devotional. They saw my devotional book in there and they were like, what is a devotional? And so a devotional is time that you spend with God and in His Word. And it's time that you can do by yourself. You can also do a devotional with your spouse or with a small group, but it's just dedicating time to really get into the Word of God, along with just spend time with Him. And so there's so many ways that you can do it. And if you're a new Christian or you're thinking or just curious, the best thing that I would recommend is to get a devotional book. Go to your local library, look at the devotional books, and they have them in so many different themes and categories because it is kind of just the tool that you would use to ignite that conversation in that time between you and God. So for everyone out there who you currently do devotionals, please share in the comments what is the devotional book that you're using, or what do you want to share as far as devotional time or your definition of devotion to someone out there that is curious and trying to find their way to God. So I love that question because I love being able to share anything that will help bring us closer to God. Okay, friends, so now let's move into this week's giveaway. And on Friday, I shared a video on some grocery store hacks, and definitely check that video if you missed it. And I shared with you a tool that you can use to help organize your grocery shopping time. And basically, it's the reusable bags that are friendly for your grocery cart. It makes it easy to grocery shop and then also to transport your groceries from the grocery store to your house. Along with the stand. Many of you asked about this stand that you can put on your grocery cart to hold your phone. It holds a pen, it holds your shopping list. It's very efficient. And so the giveaway is going to be for both the bags and the stand. So to enter the giveaway, you must be on my email list. I'll put the link below. If you're already on my email list, you don't have to do anything. And then in my newsletter called The Orderly, every Friday, I will announce that the giveaway winner has been chosen. I also want to remind you, friends, that my book is available for pre-order. Beautifully Organized, A Guide to Function and Style in Your Home. Definitely get your copy if you have not already. And thank you to everyone who has. I hope you all will join in on the giveaway. I hope you've enjoyed Minimal Monday. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.